Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, today is a big day. Not only because of the heavy move on the chart of gold, but today is a big day because of CPI and FOMC. So there will be crazy volatility today. So my dear friends, be careful. Beginners, new traders, traders who do not have much capital right now, who are in tight position, this is not the market for you. You will get plenty of opportunities to make money. So please try to close down all your positions before the news, so that when the news will come out and market will show extreme volatility, you do not lose your hard-earned money. And today is really important because not only CPI, we also have FOMC. So double dhamaka. And if we look at the chart of gold, then gold has already shown up move. Gold is right now standing at 2017 and gold is extremely bullish. You can see here gold edges higher ahead of US CPI data. Gold edges higher in the early Asian session ahead of US CPI data due later in the global day. A weaker USD and returning investment flows have been supporting gold prices. So market is expecting that after CPI data, DXY will fall or US dollar will fall and gold will rise. So as a result, we can see the market is going up. Okay, and nobody knows what will happen after the news. And this is the chart of DXY in front of us, and DXY right now standing at 102.08. This is the current market price. Before news, DXY will be trying to hold the level of 101.90. This was the critical support of DXY, and still DXY is somehow trying to survive above 101.90. And in case it breaks also, it should not cross 101.43 before CPI. This is the support of DXY before the news. In case DXY really breaks the support after CPI, then the critical support for DXY will be 100.83, the low made by the market. This will be the ultimate support on DXY after the news, but before news we have 101.4, 101.5. And if you're wondering about the resistance, then in this type of market, okay, I will not say that we have some good resistance, but yes, we do have a resistance around 103.35 to 103.50. This is a resistance, and I don't think so market will be going towards this level before the news. After news, I don't know, but before news, I don't think so the market have the power, but the buyers have the strength to take the market up to this level. More or less, we will get to see a silent market in my opinion. Before I proceed further, I would like to give a big shout out to Chart Prime, who have sponsored today's video. Those who want to generate their own buy and sell signals, please watch the video carefully, because Chart Prime is one of the best custom indicator in the trading world right now. With the tools available in Chart Prime, you can not only generate buy and sell signals, but also you can use these tools as additional confirmation in your analysis and take your trading to the next level. They also have a community on Discord where they post regular trading ideas. And my dear friends, probably you all have seen me talking about Chart Prime for the last couple of months. And my dear friends, trust me, their service is really awesome. My dear friends, as we all know it very well, that no tool, no trader, no company is 100% accurate, but with proper risk management and additional help from a tool like Chart Prime, you can definitely expect to earn some good money and change your trading completely. And to know about the functioning of these tools, you can simply go to their website chartprime.com, and under tutorial section you will find many videos. In case you are still confused about the functioning of the indicators, you can simply go to the Discord channel. You'll see that they conduct 2 weekly classes. In one class they teach about the functioning of the indicators, and in second class they talk about the strategies that you can use with the help of these indicators. So this is the 4 hour chart of gold in front of us, and as you can see that there are many signals generated by their tool market oracle. Possible reversal down means there's a chance, there's a possibility that the market will be going down, so you should go for a sell. Possible reversal up means the tool is saying that you should be looking for buy position. Possible reversal down means you should be looking for sell position. It may look like a magic, but my dear friends, again I'm repeating, no tool is 100% accurate, so proper risk management is extremely important. And prime oscillator is another powerful tool where you will see divergences. Those who know how divergences work, this will be very useful. I'm a fan of divergence. Okay, so this oscillator is a very powerful tool. Okay, and in addition to that, there are some other tools also, indicators like pattern detector, smart money concept. Okay, you can check them out later on. And the best part is the pricing. Okay, we can see that the pricing is very competitive in comparison to the other players. Okay, you can see that they only charge $57 per month, which is quite less in comparison to the other service providers in this category. Okay, at first you can simply try the tool for 1 month, and I'm sure you'll love it. Use the link in the description to get 30% discount at the checkout. The discount is available on monthly and quarterly plans only. If you're looking for discount on annual plan, please let me know. I'll get it for you from the chart prime. You can also scan the QR code on the screen for faster registration. Please check them out. Yes, DXY is giving us a silent uh, treatment, but gold is kind of violent, or gold is crazy right now. And to be honest, on the chart of gold, I do not see any immediate trading opportunities before the news, because the levels that you can clearly see on the chart are quite far away. So according to me, if market shows a downside before news or before CPI, then we have support around, or around 1981 we have a minor support, or we have support around 1978 to 1979. Then we have another support around 1971. These are the three levels on the chart of gold that I can see right now. 1981 was the previous level from where market bounced. Then we have 1978-79 here, previous support, and then we have the red line, which is the 1971. These are the three levels that should work before news, not after news. Okay, and this, but the market is very bullish right now, and I don't think so the market will be coming down to these levels before news, because if I take you to the hourly time frame, then you can see that on the 1 hour chart the market is standing at the top right now, and this is not the ideal position to take any buy position. And the reason is that your risk to reward ratio will not match. See, no market in the world goes up in a straight line, goes down in a straight line. Eventually market will be coming down at some point, and when the market is coming down, then you will be in trouble. So as a result, buying and retracement is the best trading strategy that you can follow in this type of market. But sadly, we do not have any immediate retracement level on the chart of gold. So in or indirectly, okay, you can also consider that we do not have any trading opportunity on the chart of gold right now if it does not come for a retracement. If you are a scalper, if you have the experience of catching a train like this, then that's a different chapter. You can go for it. But according to my analysis, I don't think so that taking a buy position is a good thing to do, because your risk to reward ratio will not match, and taking a buy at retracement is the best trading strategy. And I'm also not recommending taking a buy at the 50 moving average, because market has already taken support. I don't think so market will be respecting the 50 moving average before news. We do have a resistance around 2031. Around 2031 we do have a resistance, but in this type of situation when bulls are very much powerful, taking a sell at resistance is also kind of scary. After all, we should not forget that trend is one of the most important thing in the market except risk management. Okay, so if you're taking a sell at resistance around 2031, it means that you are going against the trend of the market, which is also not a good thing to do. So this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. If I have missed anything, please write down in the comments section. I would love to learn. But according to me, okay, right now we do not have any immediate level where we should be taking any position right now. After all, this the main difference between a trader and a gambler is that trader only trades when the opportunity is right. And as a trader, these are the only opportunity that I see on the chart of gold right now. And according to me, that when market is kinda going up, okay, I do not prefer to take a position because every market has a structure to follow, okay, and in this type of market eventually market will be coming down at some point, and I do not want my stop loss to get hit, okay. Because see, this is the 15 minutes time frame. You can see market is right now standing at the top, so obviously this is also not the ideal position to take a buy. And taking a sell, okay, taking a sell, okay, is kind of risky, so I will not be recommending any sell position. If you, in your analysis, okay, if you think that it's a good position to take a sell, then you can go for it, but personally I will not recommend this. And especially beginners, this is not the ideal market, okay. You should see, learning to trade, okay, is very very important, but you should also learn when not to trade. This is not the ideal market to trade. So this is it, that's it, okay. And after news, okay, after news, we do have some levels. Let me show you. We have levels around 1945 and 1934. In case gold shows a big drop, then we have support around 1934 and 1945. These are the two levels where you can expect the market to take support in case gold shows a big drop after news. After news, if this level should not work, this will not work, and we do not have any immediate resistance on the chart of gold as a resistance. We do have a resistance around 2050, but 2050 is a psychological resistance, not a technical resistance. The technical resistance, only technical resistance on the chart of gold is around 2070, where I'll be taking a sell in the future, okay. I don't think the gold will reach 2070. If it reaches, well and good, okay. So that's all, my dear friends. Bye bye. Take care. Follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard earned money. CPI and FOMC together. It's a power pack combo. Be careful.